Good morning, everyone. How are you, everyone? I hope you all are fine and the best at your place. So, today we are going to start with the lecture number 2 of the same poem, My Computer, My Friend. Fine. We are going to start with the lecture number 2 of this poem today, and it is from your book Together with Essence. So, I hope you all would have understood this poem. That's very easy. You just have to read it once, twice, thrice, and you should know the meaning of the words and kindly learn whatever the thing you learn it with understanding. Do not try to cram it. रटो मत उसे समझ के learn करो. So today we are going to start with the these word meanings, and then we will do the question answers, then we will do the book exercise of this chapter. Fine. So you need to understand it very carefully. First of all, we will start with the word meanings. So the topics which we are going to cover are the word meanings of the poem, then the question answers, then the book exercise from page number 21 to 23, and it is all from your book Together with Essence. Now let us start with the word meanings. There are only 11 word meanings. Fine. So first is through. Through means माध्यम से, किसी के द्वारा. Next is ambitions. Ambitions means महत्वाकांक्षा. Ambitions means महत्वाकांक्षा. Means ambition in English it means it is a strong desire to achieve something. किसी चीज को पाने की बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर, बहुत ज्यादा इच्छा होती है जब किसी चीज को पाने की. उसका एम्बिशन क्या होता है? Thoughts means vichar, idea, opinions. Dreams, sapne. Then it is residence. Residence means nivas. Couch means sofa on which we sit. Ergonomic means shram. Ergonomic means it is shram dakshta sambandhit. It is basically means the study of furniture. It's a kind of design of furniture. It is basically the design of furniture. So the couch was not comfortable to sit over there. It was like it was the kind of a floppy. There was the line in the poem na, like we had not much to say that time, for we were very shy. We watched a program sitting on her couch sofa. Fine. It wasn't ergonomic. Ergonomic means it was not comfortable to sit on that. So I tried to sit up straight and not to slouch. Slouch means jhukna, to move here and there, jhukna. And then virus means vishanu. In Hindi you can learn virus as virus also, but it is basically known as vishanu. Then inspirations means prerna, or you can say shandar vichar, prerna. Then we have the last word, that is hopes. It will be hope, umeed. And it's hope, then umeede. There is no word side thing, it's umeed only. Fine. So these 11 word meanings you have to write it in your English fair notebook. Then let us move on to the book exercise. It's show what do you know. Means if you have gone through the poem very nicely, precisely, you should know the answers of these questions. Fine. So let us start. First is, who is poet's best friend? You all know who is the poet best friend. It's a computer. So you need to tick over here. The next question is, what did the poet share with his friend? What things, what ideas he shared with his friend computer? So the poet shared his ambitions, his thoughts and dreams with his friend. Right? Next question is, what did the poet see when he came to the friend's residence? When poet visited the computer's house, what did he see over there? So the poet saw his friend sitting as quiet as mouse. His friend was sitting as quiet as mouse. Next is, complete the lines from the poem. The stanza is basically given in the poem and I can read it for you. The next time that I visited, she seemed to have a virus, and so I thought I would not stay too long. But then she offered me some pot and Lay's potato chips, and then we played a simple game of Pong. Fine. So this question first and fourth, you can do it in your book only with pencil. And rest these two questions you can do it in your Fair English Fair notebook. Next is find the synonyms of the words from the poem. Synonyms, I hope you all know what are synonyms. Synonyms means the similar word and antonyms means the opposites. Now first is separated. Separated means to be a part. A part, किससे अलग होना. Home basically known as residence, where we live. Then it is exposed to danger. Danger पे exposed, that is virus. Virus basically is an infected agent which exposed to danger. So these are the answers over here. You can check your answers from the slide. Okay. After that, on the next page, move on to the next page. It is question number 6, page number 22. Make sentences using the following words. First of all, you should know their meaning. Sentence बनाने से, वाक्य बनाने से पहले आपको उसका मतलब पता होना चाहिए उस word का. First is mouse. I saw a mouse entering the hole in the wall. Couch. My mother is lying on the couch. Slouch. Sit straight, do not crouch. Fine. Sit straight, do not crouch. सीधे बैठो, झुको मत. Virus. Ria is suffering from a virus infection. Understood? Now move on to the next part. It's very interesting. This is very interesting part of this poem. Read the words related to internet and match them with their correct description. First of all, let me tell you what is internet. Internet is basically means nowadays it's necessary for all. We all are using internet. We all are buffering on the computers. We all are buffering different sites. Fine. What do you all do? You all also use internet nowadays. WhatsApp, Facebook, email, Gmail. Fine. Twitter. Then there are ample of device applications which work through internet. And we all are using internet nowadays. We all are using these kinds of applications. Fine. On the daily basis, moreover on the daily basis we use internet. रोज ही use करते हैं हम internet. Fine. While framing this PPT, slides, videos, I use internet for you all. And you also use internet while downloading all these videos. Fine. And when I conduct a meeting, that online classes, at that time also we use internet. So basically internet is a device. It's a part of everyone's life nowadays. So first is you have to match the correct description. Email. Email क्या होता है? Email is basically an electronic mail. आप रोज मुझे homework mail करते हो, email करते हो रोज homework. That is electronic representation and the delivery of the message, documents or image. आप email में क्या भेजते हो? या तो image भेजते हो, कोई message भेजते हो, कोई document भेजते हो. So it's an electronic preparation. Next is attachment. आप उसमें email में क्या attach करते हो? Attachment लगाते हो. डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जिसमें फाइल होती है कोई, उसको अटैच करते हो वहां पे. सो व्हाट इज अटैचमेंट? अटैचमेंट इज बेसिकली फाइल और द वेब पेज इज एनक्लोज्ड विद एन ईमेल. ईमेल के साथ जो वेब पेज लगा होता है, दैट इज एन अटैचमेंट. इट्स डी पार्ट. नेक्स्ट इज चैट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय चैट? यू ऑल डू चैटिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स on WhatsApp, on messengers, on emails also, Gmails, you do chatting. That is known as chat. When chatting is a live talk session with one internet users by a conversation is exchanged back and forth. जब हम बातचीत आपस में exchange करते हैं, जब हम conversation करते हैं, आपस में बातचीत करते हैं, and that is on the spot. उसी समय पर एक बात कर रहा है, दूसरा वहां से रिप्लाई कर रहा है, फिर रिप्लाई कर रहा है, फिर आप यहाँ से रिप्लाई कर रहे हो उसे. मीन्स इट्स अ लाइव टॉक सेशन which is going on live. Next is downloading. That's you all know. You all download the videos. Video download करते हो आप. You all do that, right? So the downloading is copying file from a remote computer to your own computer. If there is a file, if there is a video on EdQuack, what do? You all put on a save button, then save. उसमें क्या होता है? तो वीडियो डाउनलोड होती है आपके अपने कंप्यूटर में, right? So it's a copying file. You copy a file from a remote computer to your own computer. Next is URL. URL क्या होता है? What do you do while conducting the class? You all message me when you are not able to conduct the class, when you are not able to link join the link. What do? You ask for a URL. मैम URL बता दो क्लास का, लिंक बता दो मैम. So what is URL? URL is basically a locator command used only within the World Wide Web system to create or hunt for linked site. जिससे हम कुछ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, लिंक कर सकते हैं. इट ऑपरेट्स एंड लुक मच लाइक एन इंटरनेट एड्रेस. कोई एड्रेस होता है जिसमें हम क्लिक करते हैं और उस चीज पे लिंक कर देते हैं. दैट इज URL. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो व्हाट्स द आंसर? email with B part, attachment with D part, chat with E part, downloading with A part, URL with C part. So you can do this in your book with the help of pencil. Next is class, it's more interesting. It's a while, write a while. It's a write a while. Fine. Now you have to read this question very carefully. बहुत ध्यान से ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ना. Study the following chart to know about the activities of the people on the internet. आप इंटरनेट पे क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज करते हो, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज आप परफॉर्म करते हो. एंड राइट अ पैराग्राफ इन योर नोटबुक. अब आपको नोटबुक में एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है. एंड ऑल्सो राइट अबाउट योर एक्टिविटीज ऑन द इंटरनेट. ये तो एक चार्ट है, एक बार है. फाइन. ये आपको एक बार है जो बता रहे हैं हम जो जो एक्टिविटीज करते हैं इंटरनेट पे, इतना इतना % ये करते हैं हम. अदर देन दिस यू नीड टू राइट योर ओन एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो. जो आप भी करते हो इससे एक्स्ट्रा अगर आप कुछ करते हो तो आपको वो भी लिखनी है. फाइन. नाउ डू यू यूजुअली डू ऑन इंटरनेट. क्या आप ये सब इंटरनेट पे करते हो? आई डू. मैं तो करती हूँ ऐसा. आप करते हो नहीं करते हो? लेट अस गो. Watch news. How many students do watch news on the internet? From my side, it's 72% out of 100%. 72% people watch news on the internet. Do we buy a newspaper? No. We go on the Google and watch the news. Current news, live news we get on the internet. तभी हम newspaper खरीदते ही नहीं हैं आज की डेट में. Then next is use as a reference. When we have to go to some place, what do? On the Google, we go onto the Google map and we put our address over there. Fine. And we just through the help of the Google map, we go over there. Google map की हेल्प से हम उस जगह पे चले जाते हैं. So we use as a reference. उसको एक reference की तरह भी use करते हैं हम इंटरनेट को. Journal information. Do you all get the journal information on the internet? Journal information मिलती है. Who is the prime minister? Who is the president? Who is the sportsman? Who is the commander? What is the weather forecast today? Rain will come or not come? Fine. These kind of informations you get. मिलती है ना आपको. आपकी मम्मा क्या करती हैं? सीरियल्स देखती हैं इंटरनेट पे. They do not even think of switching on the television. They simply write on the internet and then log into that and they watch these serials also. Fine. So we get the journal information also of sports, of weather, of different kinds of game, of Olympics. Then after that, online chat room. It is 56% the people do online chat room. There are online chat rooms like Messenger. It's an online chat room. WhatsApp. It's an online chat room. Yahoo. It's an online. Twitter. Online chat room. Fine. So you all buffer that. करते हो आप उन सब पे काम? Yes, we do. I also do. And play games. There are 99% of the students, they use internet while playing games. This though you all do, I can surely say. I'm deadly sure. You all the students do this. आप सब internet use करते हो, पूरा data finish हो जाता है, फिर आप class में आते नहीं हो. Fine. So you should be careful for this, playing games. Do it less. Then we read or write emails. This also we do on the daily basis. You all send your homework to me with the help of email. आप email की help से मुझे अपना homework भेजते हो, right? And when I reply you, you read that email. Next is download files. We all do downloading. आप करते हो downloading daily basis पे. That is 48%. Next is check stock market prices. Current stock markets, current economy क्या चल रही है, आप सब check करते हो. That is very rare. Those who are doing the business, जो business कर रहे हैं stock market में, trade and इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट का वही चेक करते हैं बस ये, दैट इज ओनली 15%. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सेस इंटरनेशनल मीडिया. डू यू स्टडी अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल मीडिया? फॉरेन कंट्री के बारे में पढ़ते हो इंटरनेट पे? यस वी डू, करते हैं ना. दिस इज ओनली 10% पीपल दे डू. लास्ट इज शॉप. डू यू डू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग? Yes, we do online shopping. I do really. I like online shopping on the using internet. Fine. So these are the uses of internet. These are the activities which people do on the internet. You can have to write a paragraph by using these, and you have to add your own also. Now let us see a paragraph I have written for you. It's over here. Internet has become a necessity for all. This you all know. People of all ages use internet for their various work. This also you know, सारे लोग, हर एक उम्र के लोग यूज करते हैं इंसान इंटरनेट अपने अपने काम के लिए. In a recent survey, it was found that most people use internet for watching latest news. अभी जो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे ये सर्वे दिखाया, this survey, so over here you can see the maximum number is 72 people watch through internet. So the next come the people who use it for the reference or to search for the journal information. It provides all kind of information like weather, news and sports, etc. 56% people chat online and 54 people play games online. More than half of the users read or write emails on the internet. A majority of people download various files to do their work. People also check stock market prices, access international media and do online shopping by using internet. All these show the popularity of internet among the people. So all these points tell us how much means the people are in need of internet. This is basically the popularity among the people. लोग कितने ही habitual हो गए हैं इंटरनेट को यूज करने के लिए nowadays. Fine, these all points tell us this. Next is, the last is, it's a talk a while. It's the last question of the book exercise, that is talk a while. It's very, very interesting. This you have to do it at your home because we are not present in the class, so we cannot do it right now. You have to do it at your home. You have to discuss, then you have to do it in your English notebook. Work in small groups. You have to sit with your parents or cousins or sisters in small groups. Discuss the benefits of internet. जो इंटरनेट के लाभ होते हैं आपको वो डिस्कस करने हैं. ऑल्सो डिस्कस द वेज टू प्रिवेंट द मिस यूज ऑफ इंटरनेट. और आपको ये भी डिस्कस करना है जो बच्चे इंटरनेट का मिस यूज करते हैं, गलत यूज करते हैं, उसको हम कैसे रोकें, हाउ टू प्रिवेंट इट. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर पॉइंट्स प्रिपेयर अ पोस्टर एंड डिस्प्ले ऑन द क्लास नोटिस बोर्ड. अब तो आप डिस्प्ले नहीं कर सकते, सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द पोस्टर एंड you have to frame it in your English fair notebook. Fine. These are the few points which I have written for you, which will help you out. Fine. Let me tell you these points. The internet has become the most powerful of information. Internet has made jobs easier and simplified tasks that would take much time before. जो पहले जो लोग नौकरियां ढूंढते थे, मतलब और बहुत से उनको काम होते थे, अब इंटरनेट ने वो चीज़ें बहुत इजी कर ली है और वो बहुत ही कम समय लगाता है लोगों की मदद करने में. पहले क्या होता था, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता था. Moreover, the internet has become a great tool for shopping also, and easiness of having your product delivered straight to your home. And it's very easy. Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, Shopperstop, these all sites, ये सारी एप्लीकेशन हम इन पे क्या करते हैं, शॉपिंग करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट बाय कर लेते हैं, परचेज कर लेते हैं और वो हमारे घर पे आ जाता है बहुत इजीली, राइट. Internet is one of the most valuable tool in the education since it provides enormous amount of information and is the greatest source of reference for the educator and the student. It's very important nowadays. We are studying. I'm connected to you through internet and you all are connected to me through internet, right? We are studying. It is a valuable, बहुत कीमती है ये. For education, enormous means लार्ज अमाउंट, बहुत ज़्यादा हमें ये इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, बहुत ज़्यादा. फाइन. सो अनदर मेजर बेनिफिट ऑफ इंटरनेट is its ability to reduce distance and provides communication services effectively and very cheap. Now we do not go to our relatives homes every day. We just make a call and talk to them, है ना. उनसे फोन करते हैं और उनसे आसानी से बात कर लेते हैं हम. हमें रोज रोज उनके घर पे नहीं जाना पड़ता. दिस इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट. बट सम पीपल मिस यूज इंटरनेट, दैट कैन बी वेरी हार्मफुल. और कुछ लोग होते हैं गलत इस्तेमाल करते हैं इंटरनेट का और ये बहुत ही नुकसान दे सकता है उन्हें. One must be very careful while using internet and should not disclose any personal information to anyone. If you have any personal information, if you have Aadhaar card, any account detail, bank account detail or anything, PAN card number in your phone and you're using an internet, you should not disclose anything to any other people. आपको कभी किसी को disclose नहीं करनी चाहिए ये सब चीजें. It's harmful. Now this is the negative effect poster on the students and on teenager. You can see a girl is sitting for a continuity on this computer and buffering the internet. It's harmful. And if we use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook for a long time, it's again harmful for us. This is a poster and over here it's for positive effects also internet gives, like information. We get information, entertainment, communication, business. Fine. So this you have to do it in your English Fair notebook. These two things, write a while and talk a while. So what's your homework is, you have to learn and write the word meanings of the poem and complete the book exercise from page number 21 to 22. That's it for today. Thank you.